Hello class 7 students. Chapter number 5, Advanced Formulae and Formation in MS Excel 2010. We have discussed the types of referencing. There are three types of referencing: relative referencing, absolute referencing and mixed referencing. This relative referencing is every cell is made up of column part and row part, which is called the address of the cell. The cell is called relative when both parts are not fixed. When the column and the row, if they are not fixed, then the thing is called relative. It is called absolute when both parts are fixed. When this column and this row are fixed, then the referencing is called absolute referencing. Then the third is, a cell is called mixed when only one out of them is fixed. Only row or column. Either row or column, only one is fixed. Then it is called mixed referencing. Then we have discussed about using functions. Here you can see all the functions are mentioned in your book. Insect function, autosum, recently used, then financial, logical, text, date and time, mathematics, trigonometry and many others. Function name and arguments are actually two parts of all functions. Make sure that the function should always start with a equal to sign. Then we have discussed about functions commonly used in MS Excel. The first one is sum. Sum is used to range up the addition of any of the cells in any worksheet of Excel. Then the second one is average. It is used for calculating the average of all the numbers in a range of cells. Then the third one is count numbers. Is used for counting the number of cells in a range of the cells range containing only numerical values. Then max is used to display the largest value in a range of cells as an output. Then min, it is used to display the smallest minimum value in a range of cells as an output. Then we have discussed about if. It is a conditional function that displays either true or false as an output. Then further, moving to another topic, we have discussed about conditional formatting. In this conditional formatting, this feature is used for format data in the worksheet based on specified conditions. Okay. For example, the color, font, the outlook, everything can be changed with the conditional formatting. Then we have discussed about sorting data. In this sorting data, it arranges data in ascending or descending order in MS Excel. Okay. Then all the steps we have discussed. Later on, filtering data. Filtering is a process of finding data set in a cell range at a fast speed. A filtered range shows only those rows that meet all the conditions specified for a column. Okay. Then we have discussed all about custom filter. It is a process of filter data on the basis of specified conditions. Now, as we have read all the chapter with steps, I will show you its practical. If you are having your computer laptop in your home, you have to practice it. Firstly, we'll go to the start screen. Then we'll open our Microsoft Excel. Students, look here. Here I am having the version of 2007 and we are studying about 2010. So the format will vary but the things will remain same. So The very first screen which appears in our MS Excel is called workspread or worksheet or spreadsheet. Okay, you can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the alphabetical lines which is having the range of sheet is commonly called as column, and this numerical holders which is having horizontal range are called rows. These are called columns and these are called rows. So now I am going to show you the variants. As we have discussed in our home page, you can see cut, paste, copy, format, painter, then the font, then the size, then increasing size. This is called increasing font size button. This is called decreasing font size button. Then we have discussed about bold, then italic, then underlined one, here bottom border, then color filler, then font color filler. Okay, here you can see alignment. It is called top alignment. This one is called middle alignment and this one is called bottom alignment. This is called alignment text left, then center, then the right, then wrap text. Okay, merge and center to merge out the cell and center, then the general instruction number format, the percent, comma, everything numberly based here. Then we are having style conditional formatting. You can see what we have discussed in the chapter. Here in the conditional formatting, once I will click these highlighting center, their dialog box will appear, then the top and bottom rule, its dialog box will appear, then the bars, then color scale, then icon set. Here for each and every group there is a subgroup, then the new rules, clear rules, and then merge. Then format as table. Here you can see the number of formats for the table structure. Okay, then cell style, then inserting a cell or deleting a cell or formatting a cell. Then here you can see the auto sum button, then fill. Here is clear whatever things we have edited in our worksheets. From this clear we can clear it out. Then sort and filler we have discussed in our chapter. Then finding and selecting. It was all about the home screen. Then here once we'll click on the next insert, you can see then table, picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, column, line, pie, bar, area, scanner, charts, hyperlink, text box, holder, word art, signature, symbol, object. Here are all the things have been introduced for the inserting. Then the third one is page layout. You can see the color, effect, font, theme, margins, orientation, size, print area, breaks, background, print tiles, then width, height, scale, then printing, then highlighting, then grilling, then alignment, selection panel, all comes under the page layout. Then the fourth one is formulas. What we have seen in our textbook, all the formula function. To verify we have to select it one by one, and to represent it we can have the options from here, that is called formulas. Then the data, here to sort the data, fillers, we have discussed in our book. Here you can see each and everything we have discussed briefly. Your work is to follow the steps. Okay, you have to follow the steps, and here the output you will get in the sheet. Then the review, then view, whether you want to zoom in, zoom out, you have the cells, then add, scammers, then intro pro. So it was all about 2007 version, and we have briefly discussed about the 2010 version of MS Excel. I hope that this chapter will help you to read and learn more about it. Till then, work hard, follow the steps, read well, Take care. Bye bye.